Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You will prepare by choosing the right mode: split screen on Android or picture-in-picture on iPhone. Open YouTube and cue the video, then open WhatsApp so both apps are active. Once done, enable split view from the recent apps menu or start PyP by pressing home while playing a supported video. Make sure YouTube background playback is allowed. This first step gets both apps visible and responsive so you can interact without interrupting the video. Now adjust and optimize. Drag the split screen divider to resize, choose a larger pane for the video when you need visuals or for chat when replying quickly. Once set, lower YouTube volume or mute it. Use media controls to pause and resume so voice notes aren't drowned out. Next, pin important WhatsApp chats and enable quick reply from notifications. These steps let you balance attention and speed, watch, scroll, and respond without losing context. Finish by streamlining your workflow. Set gestures or shortcuts to switch focus quickly and save layout presets when possible. If picture-in-picture or split view stops working, first toggle app permissions for overlay and background playback, then restart the app. Once done, clear the cache or reboot if problems persist. Make sure battery saver or aggressive background limits aren't killing playback. Disabling those often resolves interruptions. This gets you a reliable, repeatable way to use YouTube and WhatsApp together.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.